Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and well, if that leak is officially something true, that answers a few questions already of what's going to be announced next week. So a Chinese website has actually shown the Windows 11. Here you could see it says Windows 11 Pro. And so this seems to be an official leak of what we'll see next week for Windows 11. So the name would be Windows 11. It would follow the same type of information that we already have on, or the same type of versions that we have on Windows 10. So Windows 10 Home, Pro, and so on, according to the leak. So you see it here. There's also another leak here of what it looks like. It seems to heavily be taking Windows 10X looks and feel. So it seems to have borrowed a lot of what it is really from Windows 10X. That might be the reason why they're actually decided not to do anything with Windows 10X. They decided, well, you know what, let's turn this into an official new version of Windows, and that's it. It would apparently support the idea, so like I said, that it's Windows 11, and you have another screenshot here with Windows 11. The build number would be 21996 for this release, and so we're almost at 22,000. So I would guess that Dev Channel will probably be jumping ahead to this thing, or if it's not Dev, it's Beta, but I would guess maybe Dev Channel and the insiders will be jumping to this build at some point. There's a leaked image online. Apparently, if you know where to look, you can actually find it and actually already install this on a computer to test out. And of course, my personal curiosity is kind of telling me that I should maybe find this and try to install it on one of my old computers and see what it looks like and the feel of it. So that would confirm Windows 11. That would confirm it is heavily based on Windows 10X. As you see here, the changes, the taskbar at the bottom and all of that. I guess we have an advanced look here at what it's all about. Pretty crazy. So more to come. I'm curious. I might be tempted to go and check out the leaked build info and see if I can maybe install that on one of my PCs. See the install phase and see what it looks like. That's going to be kind of interesting to look at. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.